2010 F150. The problem with this F150 is that it has a 2-1 downshift bump or clunk. Some have fixed it by changing the drive shaft or fixing the drive shaft, and some have fixed it with a program. It didn't work with us. So we dropped the valve body, and what did we see here? Under here there is a crack in this seal, so we're going to change it with a new seal, replace it, and see whether or not this get rid of the problem, and we let you know. And normally on a ZS, when this happening, goes into neutral, but this one could be causing that downshift clunk. All right, we're taking this F150 for a ride once again, and this had that downshift clunk. You already saw what was the what we saw. Now we're about to test it and see what is it actually doing. What did you say? Nothing. Billy said nothing. Beautiful, isn't it?
Perfect. You always hear the engine, rev up a little. But you got no clunk. Nothing.
You know what had to be done? See,
reset the adapts.
Reset the adapts. This is one thing they have to do with these transmissions here. After you fix the problem, the computer doesn't even know it's been fixed. Right. So now what you got to do is put the scanner on there and reset, clear the shift adapts, so the computer can know it. Pretty much what you're doing is saying the computer has been fixed.
Right.
I mean, the transmission has been fixed. I mean, that's, the engineers engineered it that way. But the thing is, to me, that's dumb engineering. You fix something, the computer don't know it's been fixed. So what happened is, while we were driving it, even though it was fixed, the computer, the computer was still acting as if it wasn't fixed. So it was giving this harsh downshift clunk. And that was happening because of that broken bridge seal. So I came and reset the shift adapts in here, cleared them, and this is what happened. We got a smooth stop now. Nothing is happening. So the customer took this to well, actually it was Amco, and they said he needs a valve body. They would have probably caught it when they took the valve body down. They would have caught it because they would have seen that bridge seal. But we took
they would have replaced it.
What's that?
Bridge.
Yeah, they would have probably replaced that and the valve body, but
right.
Downshift clunk,
gone.
Our problem was that it was a 2-1 downshift clunk. Our problem was a cracked bridge seal. Whenever you fix this transmission, this is a 6R80 in a 2010 F150, you want to make sure that you reset the transmission adapts. I did the transmission adapts and the PCM adapts also. I cleared everything, made it dumb. Made it dumb, shoot. Start all over. Learn how to reshift again. Boy, this is beautiful. That's it.